If you want to level up in life, you need to know how to take your big problems and turn them into smaller ones. The logic map is a tool that does exactly that. Go ahead and join me on the whiteboard and I'll show you how it works. One of the tools we need to have in order to level up our mind through critical thinking is to know how to break large problems into smaller problems. The reason being is that our subconscious is designed to simplify things in order to conserve energy. It will take a complex set of problems and convert them into a single problem that is simple to identify but difficult to solve. I'm unhappy because I'm poor. That problem statement is extremely complex when you break it down, and because of its complexity, the statement itself does not have a real solution to the problem. However, if we break it down, we will be able to find the solution to our problem. Similar to a complex math equation, when looking at it from a distance, it looks daunting, but when you take it step by step using a proven method, you end up with the right answer. How it works is you take your problem and you put it at the top of a page, and you create branches connecting the problem with a potential solution or a specific input that feeds the problem. If we take our original statement, I'm unhappy because I'm poor, poor is obviously the object of what makes you unhappy, so how can we not be poor? A, make more money. B, spend less. 1, get a better job or promotion. 2, start a business. Budget, living location. And the idea is that you would build out what we call a logic map until the solution or solutions become clear. For example, at the end of this logic map, it would become clear that we would first need to come up with an actual figure to aim for, and most likely we would have to learn a new skill to start a business or get a better job. You could continue the logic map after you've done more research on what skill to learn, and then the solution is clear on what you need to do to not be poor anymore, which by your problem statement would result in your happiness. Through this logic map, we have gone from I'm unhappy because I'm poor to in order to not be poor, I need to get a programming tech job because those jobs start at the dollar amount I need to be happy. I don't have this skill yet, but I can learn it through online videos or boot camps. We have taken the summarized problem and turned it into an actionable solution by applying a bit of critical thinking and creating a logic map. Now our solution is clear and we are aware of the steps needed to take in order to get there. This is an amazing example of how critical thinking and the tools it provides levels up your brain and can lead you towards a happier life. Thank you for watching.